I'll keep this brief and to the point if I can. I'm transitioning from SketchUp to Rhino and want to integrate Grasshopper for its parametric abilities. In SketchUp here, I've made what they call dynamic components to make my door slabs. It is made up of essentially blocks which I have glued profiles to and told them where to sit in relation to each other. So as you can see, this top rail consists of a center block and an edge profile and an end cope. And language has been told to these to either sit in the center of the overall dynamic component, this whole slab, or to stay in the x-axis plus the length of left style. You can see here's all the algebra that kind of goes with it and all the pieces. There's also user-friendly inputs, which is very valuable to me. It makes things easy. So if I, for some reason, had a 40-inch slab, it would expand. As you can see the difference here, these are individual components because I can't nest these all together in SketchUp. They have to be separated. So I'm looking to replicate this in Rhino so that I can input different edge profiles easily. I believe that in SketchUp, if I wanted to do this, I would have to rewrite it 10 different times. And there's also all sorts of spacing things that I think I could write into the parametric equations to make my life easier. For example, the amount of mullions automatically centered. I've seen language like that in Grasshopper. So I need to create something that can be scaled while keeping certain pieces or profiles constant. That's a half-inch profile that when I resize doesn't change. If I use the standard scaling tool, it would resize everything and that wouldn't work for me. Essentially, I'm looking to confirm that this can be done in Grasshopper to alternate profiles onto a block and say have them from like a list of frequently used options. I want to confirm that it can be done in Grasshopper, and if anyone can offer any tutorials that are relevant to this kind of assembly or programming, that would be helpful. Thanks so much for your time.